All right, I've been out at the field flying for a while and I'm sweating to death. I want to go pretty soon, but here's Tony. He's got a plane with him today. Hang on, where are you, Tony? Get in my picture. There he is. So I'm gonna fly a drone and follow Tony. All right, this is a drone I'm gonna use to follow Tony's plane, which is over there. All right, Tony, almost ready. I have a camera over there filming you, right across the track.
Okay, got it. Yeah, I'm taking off.
Okay.
Acro mode. Timer start.
There we go, I got you. Hopefully I don't lose you in the sun, or crash into you. Okay, I'm gonna feather my speed so I don't crash into you. Don't go too far. I can't go out there, I'll lose the reception. Yeah, I gotta come back to the track. I'll come back, I'll get you when you come back here. There we go, I got you. Yeah. I see you now. The only thing I'm wondering is I have a camera angle on my drone and I've got the camera angle that I see through my lens, and I hope they're matching up as I almost crash into you. I love flying sideways. Yeah. Oh, I'm going too far, too high, losing some signal, so I gotta come back. Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
One thing I gotta watch for is there's a runner on the track right back here. And a million metal poles. You see all the metal poles? Gotta watch for those. Down below. Okay, going up. Okay, where are you now?
30 seconds.
I got 30 seconds of power left. Oh, nice flip. Nice maneuvers. I'll dive down with you. Don't want to dive into the school. All right, I'm gonna have to bring her down. I'm low on power. I'll just come whipping by you here. I'll go around this runner up here. Mr. Jogger. And I will just glide back to home base. What side are you coming in from? Oh, there you are. I see it. Come on. Coming to the mat. Oh, just made it. My drone is a beeping. Oh, I'm gonna film your plane coming down. Let's go grab this. So smooth. All right.
There you go.
One wheeling. All right, so I don't know if I got Tony in all the shots because the camera that I was looking through is on the FPV drone and my camera, the GoPro, is facing a different direction than what I was looking through. So we'll see what it looks like, and if it looks good, this is on YouTube and you're watching it now. All right, Tony.
Cheerio.
See you later. Right now I'm gonna go see my sweaty head. I gotta go someplace and take a nice shower. It's like way too hot out here.
It is.
And that beeping you hear over here, that is my drone saying, hey, you have disconnected me, so here I am. All right, see you in the next video. Take care.